Yo, what is up, guys? I am giving you an update on the strategy. I know for some reason it has absolutely taken off in the past 3 days. It's gotten 15,000 views, so it's up at like 20K views right now. I am in my closet. My office is in my closet. I had to change the scenery. I was in Florida, now I'm back in Missouri. Again, my name is Blake Carter. I trade Forex. I'm about 11 months in. I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert by any means. I would honestly consider myself intermediate. Okay, my technical analysis is incredible, but that is not what makes you a professional trader or even a profitable trader. Mindset and psychology and emotional intelligence in the market is what takes you next level. And if you don't master that, you will not be a profitable trader or a successful trader or a professional trader by any means. So what I did bring you guys with the Dr. Spiller strategy was, I think it absolutely works. But when I did upload it, I kind of jumped the gun real quick without really testing it. Whoa, we just got really blurry. Hopefully, okay, we're good. I uploaded without really testing it, back testing it, live trading it. I did back test it. That's why I did upload that. It worked. But live trading is a little bit different. I did find something that I think is going to add a lot of value to you guys. And I think it will really, really help take the strategy to the next level. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm not a financial advisor. Like I said, I'm an intermediate trader. I'm not an expert. I'm not saying I made millions or 7 figures or 6 figures by any means in foreign exchange. But I did learn this from someone who is pulling about 50,000 to 100,000 a week, like with this strategy. So it's absolutely unreal. So, oops, I need to share my screen. Let's go ahead and do that. Bam, bam. All right, so here is exactly what it is, okay? So you add, let's go to Euro USD. Again, thank you guys so much for the support on the video. I look forward to adding more value to you guys and coming out with some more videos. Again, I just like to trade. I want it to be my life, my career. I absolutely love trading. I am intermediate novice. I'm not an expert. But here what I am doing is adding the ADX and DI, okay? You do link 10, threshold 30. The threshold actually doesn't matter. The level matters, okay? So it's going to be 30. You want it to be, the lines to be thicker. Guys, I promise this, I have back tested this. I've traded live with this. It is extremely profitable. This works, okay? This works. The only thing is, you got to be very patient. Let's go. Okay, so I like to make them a little thicker. Link 10 ADX. Then we have an 8 EMA, it's still the same, and a 50 MA, okay? Here's the settings for those. Link 50, close. You know, you can make it however thick you want. Bam. And same here. EMA. Again, you just go to indicators and look up EMA. And input length 8. Guys, check this out. You're going to be blown away by this. This is absolutely profitable. And in the long run, if you do take 10 trades, you will win 8 out of 10 trades. So it is incredible. So here is exactly what I look for. It's still the same, okay? So as the 8 crosses to 50, you're only looking for buys, okay? When the 8 is above the 50, you're looking for buys. When it's below the 50, you're looking for sells, okay? So like right here, now that it's gone down, you're looking for a sell. But now it's crossed up, you're looking for a buy. And I'm just not saying you enter there. I'm saying that is, okay, now we're looking for buys only based on the indicators. Once the ADX lines up for us, we're not going to be going in for a buy when the 8 is below the 50. But when the 8's above the 50, we are going to be going for a buy, okay? So that's easy enough. So let me see this right here. This is exactly what we look for. So it's still the same. So the 8 had crossed the 50 down, so we're looking for a sell. Bam, we have an impulse down, and we have a retest. We had pretty much had a floor right here, okay? Break, retest. But we don't have the ADX, which I'll show you exactly what we look for. Again, thank you guys so much for the support on that last video. I'm seriously blown away. And thank you for, like I said, I'm in my closet, so I have my clothes on that side. On this side, I have my goals, my whiteboard. I got some quotes on there, time clock, everything. So you have to look at the clothes. I'm sorry about that, but we'll have to figure that out. Okay, so this is what we want to look for. Like I said, break, retest. Then we also want ADX as a confirmation. So let's go over here. And we only are looking at entries where the black line, which is the momentum, that's momentum, is above 30. And this is the 30 right here, the black line. So right here, never got a trade. But right here, okay, so here's exactly what you do. Oh, let me go right here. Okay? And another rule, you only get one trade per touch to the 50, which I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now. So right here, let's go up here. I got my vertical line. Okay. Oh, that's yellow. We don't want that to be yellow. Let's change that. Guys, I promise you, stick with this. You'll be profitable. This strategy is unreal. I'm serious. So right here, we have the green, which is the ADX, above 30. We want that. That's my first indication, okay, of a trade. So right there, I'm like, oh, okay. Now I'm just waiting for the momentum to go above 30 to enter. So I have this ADX at 30. I have a break of this. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. I got this ceiling that we officially broke through. Major bullish candle right there. Closed above the ceiling. Now it's sitting on it for a while. So the ADX closed above 30. Now we're looking for the momentum to come up. And you want momentum to keep going straight up, okay? You want it to keep going straight up. If it does, that's an incredible trade. I'm going to show you exactly what happens, okay? So as soon as it closes above 30, you can see with the black number on the ADX right here, okay? That's where it's at. So on this candle right here, it's at 24. Over here, it's at 29.17. We're not entering right there. It's officially at 34.86, okay, on the close of the candle. Do not enter mid-candle. Do not enter at the beginning of the candle if it goes above 30. You're going in at the close of the candle. So it closes right here. Let's go ahead and do this. Right here at this line. Right there. And we have a green ADX going down and this going up. That's a good sign of retest. The green ADX is bullish. Okay? And red's bearish. Okay? So on buys, the green's going to go up. On sells, red's going to go up. Let's find an example of that. So when this market was going down, price is going down right here. We had red ADX going up. Over here, green ADX is going up. And when it retests, it goes down. And that's what we want. So it's a sign of retest. We're getting in right there. We're getting in on this candle. The only time you get out is if it hits stop loss or take profit. Let it run, okay? And the second rule, you get out if the momentum turns down, Okay, if the momentum turns down. Now let's check this out. Okay, right here. All right, so we're in right here. We're in for about like an hour. ADX, excuse me, the momentum, still going up. We're staying in, staying in, staying in. And it's 10 pips, just like the last strategy. It's the same strategy, it's just refined extremely. So we're in right here. Our TP is 10 pips. So it's right there. Bam. We hit it. And our stop loss, so hold on. We're in at 7.5. We're going to be up here at 8.5 around there. Things blocking it. And then we're going to get have a stop loss down here, 6.5 down there. So it is a 1-to-1 risk reward, but I do want you to know I back tested this for months and months and months and months and months with the replay. Okay. So that right there, 10 pips and dip. Absolutely beautiful. Bam. Let's go over here. So once we got that trade, we're not looking for another one until price hits the 50. So it hit the 50. 8 never crossed down, so we're not looking. Now it's back up. We're looking for buys. Buys, 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 buys. Bam, bam. So now we have a peak on the ADX right here. What do I have right here? Bam. Okay, we have a peak. ADX is coming back down, which means we're getting a retest. Okay, it's what we want right here. Retest. Beautiful. Get in the ADX. Actually, the momentum's already above 30. Momentum's already above 30. So if it keeps going up, you're setting a buy limit on the 8 EMA. On the 8 EMA. Okay? A buy limit on the 8 EMA. Right there. Bam. 10 pips. And it never pointed down. It hit your take profit before it pointed down. Where is that? Okay, 8.9. Hold on. Let's scroll in. I want to get in a little. Say you got in like right here above the 8, because I'm not. You know what I'm saying? Okay, it's like 9.3 pips. So when does the market turn back down? Okay, the momentum. Excuse me, momentum turns back down at the close of this candle. So you caught 5 pips, okay? And with this precision entry, you're able to risk 10 to 20%. You got to keep it the same every single time or your numbers are not going to be right, okay? You're able to risk 10 to 20%. So with 5 pips, you're making a good ROI. You only need 1 to 2 trades a week. 1 is substantial. I have an account that I actually do this strategy on GJ, GBP, JPY, 1 time a week. So I catch 20% of my account 1 time a week. It's actually 40% because I do a 20 pip because GJ moves way quicker than EU. It's 20 pip TP, 10 pip stop loss. I use this and it's incredible. So guys, this is the addition to Dr. Spiller Strategy. I'm sure I'll have plenty of questions. Feel free to drop them. Again, my name is Blake Carter. I'm not an expert. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not give signals. But I do want to say I'm so blown away by the support. Continue to subscribe. Continue to drop comments, like, hate, whatever. You know, if I'm a scammer, whatever. That's cool. I don't know how I'm a scammer, but, you know, there's always going to be haters. I want you guys to know your dreams are achievable. They're right here. Okay? You're this far away from achieving everything you've ever dreamed of. And I love you guys. I'm so thankful for you, and I'm going to be back soon. I promise you that.